So we are here on another project this lovely morning. We have a pond side to do. It's really overgrown, uneven, full with rocks, debris from building a house, metal wires everywhere. We have to deep grind everything to the side of the pond, grind up everything to the house. Not a big job site, but there's a lot of stumps underneath, a lot of trash. And let's see how the day unfolds. I will do some drone shots and start working. The attachment grinds everything. Yes, sir. So this is universal rotor head again. We do the deep grind, after we will level and settle, do the pond side, just touch it up a bit. I don't want perfect result for the pond side, but all the rest should be quite okay. And I think we're seeding as well today, so. This is the average pace for deep grinding. You go almost all the way. So that's it for today. Everything is grinded up, leveled out, seeded. We did the pond side, touched it up a bit.